Tulip Actuators for can filler machines are one of the top products at American Holt. Having sold thousands of units already, we've invested heavily in the technology and inventory necessary to meet customer demand. All actuators we offer are in stock and ready to ship as soon as an order is placed. Once they're received, customers enjoy actuators with longevity and smooth operation. The actuators we produce, Super Good, are available for KHS Delta fillers and H&K Delta fillers, and the technical specs for fork width and ball height can be adjusted to individual needs. In addition to purchasing actuators directly, customers can participate in our exchange program. Used actuators can be traded in for either new or rebuilt units. Rebuilt units offer the same performance as new ones, but at a reduced price, and contribute to sustainability in the industry. The technician begins the rebuild process by disassembling a used actuator. First, the central disc and retaining rings are removed from the roller assembly. This will allow the technician to remove the roller from the rest of the actuator later. Next, the pins and springs are taken out of the assembly, enabling the technician to separate the housing, linkage, fork, and roller support. From here, the roller assembly is pressed off of the roller support and discarded. For each of the remaining components, used bushings are punched out and similarly discarded. Now, the housing, roller support, fork, linkage, and pins are buffed and cleaned in preparation for reassembly. New bushings are pressed into the freshly cleaned components. For the roller support, Loctite is applied to the main shaft to ensure the roller bearings will have proper contact. Next, the technician presses on the roller assembly to the roller support and secures it in place with a retaining ring. The roller support, fork, and linkage are then joined together using pins and held in place with retaining rings. The housing is applied afterward. A new spring is installed and the assembly is secured with additional pins. To complete the assembly, lubricant is added to the roller bearings to ensure smooth rotation and long life, before being sealed off with a cap and snap ring. The last step in the rebuild is to ensure the actuator has proper clearance. The technician places the assembly on a fixture and uses thickness gauges to check the clearance of the roller and fork arms. If the assembly doesn't conform to the proper shape, the technician performs minor adjustments and checks the clearance again. The Tulip assembly is now complete and is ready to be put back into action.